Today I will be talking about how to use knives, but I will be demonstrating the use of the European knife. Here I have the chef knife, the utility knife, and the small paring style knife. I will be using the utility knife because it's the one that I feel more comfortable of using. The proper way to hold a knife is the pinch grip. With the dominant hand and using your thumb and 4 fingers, pinch the knife at the junction between the blade and the handle. Now I'll be demonstrating how to chop some scallions using the rocking motion, and with my non-dominant hand to hold the ingredients with a clawed grip. Here we have the small paring style knife, which is 4 inches long. This is also a great knife because it can handle so many tasks. I'll be chopping some garlic to demonstrate the use of this small knife, using the same claw grip technique shown previously. And so here we have the utility knife and the small paring style knife. 2 different European knives that can basically be for the same use in the kitchen. Thank you for watching.